design. I'll give you the design.
No, there is a aquarium inside there. Big fishes there inside. Oh.
Inside?
Oh, inside
Where?
that one.
Sa
We're having a
loob?
look.
Andi sa loob ng bunganga?
There is like a glass.
There's a few people here.
Kasi Father's Day, Dad. Filipino loves.
Day, Dad?
Okay,
Father's Day. Kaya ko?
Oo.
Kaya mo?
Oo. Hi, Sophia. Welcome to Reyes Farm and Resort. Okay. Ayan ang family. Happy Father's Day to our Daddy J. To celebrate here in Reyes Farm Resort. Hello, Kuya.
Inside the mouth.
You go inside the mouth and it will lead you to the aquarium. Can you hold this so I can pay ano? Can you hold? It's rolling.
Ay, sorry. Dito kami sa loob ng malaking isda.
Hello.
So, nandito na kami sa aquarium.
Dito aquarium.
Parang wala ding purpose yung malaking isda. Walang laman.
Uy! May salamin!
Saan?
There!
Oh!
Dad, look! There's glass. That's the fish out from the top.
Sarah, ikaw naman ang bigat. Napakabigat, Sarah.
Buti hindi
May
ko
part ba yung JJB?
Ay, you have to follow the guy. Ay, ayan pala. Hi, Vinny. Hi, Choy.